problem I have with the corners where the wall and ceiling meets is the unevenness of the joint. Utilizing the right tool, which is a corner trowel, all that would have been taken care of. All those little imperfections along that corner would have been taken care of. I was told by the patch team that it was because of the way the drywall was installed. I agreed to disagree. Where each drywall meet, you're able to fix that imperfection with the patching compound using the corner tool. What I'm showing you here is the before, after the corners were finished by the patching and painting team. I'm going to repair the corners using the proper tools and then take another shot showing the even corners that were spread. When using the corner trowel, it allows you to push the material into the corners, thus filling all the gaps and cracks. As you can see, I completed putting in the patch material to try to fill and seal the corners of the walls to the ceiling. A patch person told me that it's untrue. The way the drywall was installed, that had nothing to do with it. It was how the patchwork was performed and the tools that were used to fill in the corners of the drywall. Perfect corners. Final paint job. As you can see here, where the wall and ceiling meets, how perfectly even that wall is and how it goes together with the ceiling. No imperfections, no build-up mud, no holes going through the drywall. All perfectly sealed. It has everything to do with how the mud is applied and how it's sanded. As you see, there's a nice good seal along the drywall and ceiling. Over here the paint's still a little wet, but you can still see there's no change in how the drywall connects to the ceiling. Here on the corner edge of the open doorway, you can see the patch material through the paint, where the person applied the patch material, but he didn't sand it smoothly to where that line blended into the drywall itself. Has nothing to do with how the drywall was installed. Looking here at the ceiling, where the patch material was covered over the joining drywall. As you can see the patch material through the paint, which you're not supposed to see. If it was sanded properly, where the corners of that patch material blended into the drywall, you would not see the paint, the line of the patch material through the paint. Again, that's a poor sanding job. Looking here around the window, along the windowsill, I mean, come on, you can see where paint and other material was left on the edge of the nylon window frame. I mean, when the work is done, you know, usually people, you know, you see all that's been scraped off, cleaned off the windows. But here you see it's still along the edges of the windows. And of course, again, it's not the perfect patching. You can look and see holes in some of the patchwork. Again, is the cleanup work, removing the paint and the patch material off of the vinyl window frame. Kind of clean the window frame up a little bit. See the paint on the window frame? Where he didn't remove it. In the corner, looked like some tape or something was still left up there and got paint on it. How the edges of the corners meet the window frame, little big gaps. I'm not making this up.